Hey y'all. So I just came from the gym, right? And so typically every day when I get up, go to the gym, try to go in early, then I come home, take one kid to school, and then in between trying to take them kids to school, I try to do some laundry or wash the dishes or whatever. I was trying to, kill three birds with one stone. So this morning I go in the laundry room and I look in the laundry room and let me just tell you. So let me just put this right here. I have four trifling kids. Four trifling kids. My oldest son is normally the most triflingest one. But today is Camille. So let me introduce you to these trifling ninjas right now. Duders! Where are you? Right here. Okay. Real quick. For my people in Facebook land. Going upstairs. Oh, I just wanted to show people like the most trifling kid that I have. Like you're the one.
That's cool.
Yeah. So this is the one that's normally super trifling, right? If I correct him, he thinks I'm yelling. Get this dog out of here. Ebony, go upstairs in Warren's room. Ebony.
I'm leaving. Put her outside.
Okay, Ebony, come here. You ain't about to be wandering around my house.
Why is she always in my room?
Because that's your dog.
No, it's not.
Out. Anyway, so they're all pretty trifling, right? But today, Camille wins the trifling award. You know why? Because he did what I always yell at Warren for. You know what that is? Taking the clothes out of the washer and not putting them in the dryer. So I go into the washer in the laundry room. It's a mess, so please excuse it. I go in the laundry room to, take some clothes from the washer to dryer. And the clothes from the washer are in this basket, soaking wet. And I said, Camille, why? At first I yelled at Warren, right? Because Warren is typically the one that does this craziness. And I'm like, Warren, why are the clothes in the wet clothes in the laundry basket? Because that's always Camille. That's always Warren. And he said, I didn't do it, Camille did. So obviously he saw that you did it, right? But he didn't correct you because I've corrected him so many times. He didn't correct him. He just saw that he did it. Didn't say nothing about it, right? So it's Camille today. Camille gets a trifling kid award today. Because Camille took the clothes out the washer and put them in the hamper. The soaking wet clothes. Yeah, he did that today. So I want you all to give Camille a round of applause for being the trifling child of the day. For putting the wet clothes from the washer in the hamper instead of the dryer. And when I asked him why he did that, what did you say, Camille? Tell the people why you did it. What did you say? Because there were clothes already in the dryer. So instead of taking the clothes out the dryer and putting those in the hamper, he takes the clothes out the washer and puts them in the hamper. Yeah. This is what my kids, this is how teenagers think. So I just wanted to know, like, who has trifling kids besides me? Anybody? Or am I the only one? He is pissed off at me right now. So I'm going to go take him to school. And then I'm going to come back. I'm going to fold some clothes up. I normally take my other son to school afterwards. But then I'm going to go take him to the dentist. I'm going to get dressed. I'm going to go to work. And I'm going to have a beautiful day. And won't y'all do the same? All right? If you have trifling kids, trifling mothers and fathers of trifling kids, I'm going to give you a virtual high five because, it's hard out here in these streets. I promise you. These ninjas will drive you crazy. Be blessed.